Welcome to the show. This is Rusty Gear. Today we've unboxed this Hot Wheels Volkswagen Cafe Racer Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker Edition in blue. We've also got a special appearance by this Magnus Walker Special Edition Porsche RLC still in the package, man. We just wanted to put that thing on the set. It's a super cool Porsche, and it's also got his figurine in there, man. That's pretty cool. Hang on for the ride. Here we go. We're still loving this Volkswagen Showroom. Hey, everybody. This is East Coast Tim. Sure is great to see you. Great to see you, too. Glad you can make it over here to the Volkswagen Showroom, man. We are loving all these Volkswagens. Hey, this special edition Porsche right here, too, man. Magnus Walker. It is beautiful. Some kind of chrome black looking ride, man. That thing is bad to the bone. And we've also loving these two cafe racers here. The Magnus Walker Urban Outlaw, white and now blue. We're digging it.
Thank you so much for tuning in to WFRED, The Fred. Located at 101.1 on your radio dial. My name is DJ The Natasha. I am broadcasting live from our Volkswagen display area. I love it here. This blue cafe racer is a twin to the white one. I love both of them. This RLC Magnus Walker, black chrome Porsche 964, is super cool as well. It is a perfect day. Sunny with a high of 84 with no chance of rain. Traffic is mild on World Main Street. Perfect day for a drive. Best wishes.